Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and today I'd like to discuss with you a commonly asked question that we're asked when anyone considers laser eye surgery, and that's the cost related to it. Fortunately, LASIK is more affordable than ever. I mean, when you compare it to a cup of coffee a day, it's essentially what it costs you to have your vision correction done today, and the benefits obviously are just incomparable. More importantly, we do have financing options available, and those financing options are no down payments, no interest payments, multiple years if one needs that. And the benefit of it is that you get your surgery done, you get your vision corrected, you enjoy the benefits of it, and in a way, not financially too challenging for one to have it done. But most importantly, and truly the true benefit of having this done is not only the safety and benefit and the cosmetic benefits that one achieves by having laser eye surgery done, but even the financial benefit. You actually spend more by getting your LASIK done, for example, than you would buying a lifetime of contact lenses or glasses. It's, to me, a simple choice, and the procedures are truly safer than ever, better than ever, outcomes are greater than it's ever been, and I'm so thrilled to be able to offer that to my patients, and I'm so excited to consider any patient that comes in as part of our Excel Laser Vision Institute family. So once again, we welcome you to our family. Join us, look us up at exceleye.com, and if there are any questions, we can always be reached through there or directly by calling us toll free. Thank you so much for your consideration. Have a good day.